Most trucks look tough, but not all of them actually last. Some break early, some cost a fortune to maintain, and then there are a few that just keep going past 200,000 miles. These are some of the most reliable pickup trucks you can buy today. Number 5. Ford Ranger. The Ranger is one of those trucks people don't talk about enough, but it quietly does everything right. When it came back to the North American market in 2019, a lot of buyers weren't sure what to expect. But here's the thing. This isn't a brand new experimental truck. It's based on a global platform that had already been tested for years in other markets. That matters, because instead of launching something completely new and unproven, Ford brought in something that had already been refined over time. Under the hood, you get a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. And while turbo engine might scare some people, this particular setup has proven to be surprisingly durable when maintained properly. Oil changes, basic service, nothing unusual. What really makes the Ranger stand out is how balanced it is. It's strong enough for daily work, capable off-road, and still comfortable enough for everyday driving. It doesn't feel overbuilt or overly complex, and that simplicity is exactly what helps it last. Another big advantage is that parts are widely available. The engine is used in other Ford vehicles, which keeps maintenance costs reasonable and makes repairs easier compared to more niche trucks. Owners consistently report that the Ranger doesn't give them major headaches. It's not perfect, no truck is, but it avoids the kind of major failures that can turn ownership into a nightmare. This is the kind of truck you buy if you want something modern, capable, and relatively low risk long-term. Number 4. Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline is always the one that starts debates, because it doesn't follow the traditional pickup formula. No body-on-frame construction, no heavy-duty setup, no tough truck image. And yet, it's one of the most reliable pickups you can buy. The reason is simple. It's engineered like a Honda. Underneath, it shares a lot with Honda's SUVs, which means a naturally aspirated V6, a smooth and proven transmission, and fewer mechanical stress points compared to traditional trucks. That changes everything, because instead of being built for extreme towing or heavy abuse, the Ridgeline is designed for real-world use, commuting, road trips, light hauling. And in that environment, it thrives. You're far less likely to deal with major mechanical failures. Maintenance is straightforward, and long-term ownership costs are much closer to a typical SUV than a full-size truck. Another thing owners love is how it drives. It doesn't feel like a truck in the traditional sense. It's smoother, quieter, and easier to handle in everyday situations. Parking, city driving, long trips, it just feels more refined. Now, it's not for everyone. If you need maximum towing capacity or plan to do heavy-duty work every day, there are better options. But if you want a truck that lasts a long time, costs less to maintain, and is easy to live with, the Ridgeline is one of the smartest choices out there. Number 3. Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma has built its reputation over decades, and it's still one of the strongest choices you can make today. This is the truck people buy when they don't want surprises, and there's a reason for that. Toyota has taken a very conservative approach with the Tacoma. They don't constantly reinvent it, they don't overload it with complicated systems. Instead, they refine what already works. That's why these trucks are known for lasting well past 200,000 miles. The engines are simple and proven. No unnecessary complexity, no high-strung performance tuning, just solid, dependable power that holds up over time. And when something does wear out, because everything eventually does, it's usually manageable. Parts are easy to find, repairs are predictable, mechanics know these trucks inside and out. Another major advantage is resale value. Tacomas hold their value better than almost anything else in the truck market. That's not just hype, it's a reflection of how much trust buyers have in them. You also get real off-road capability. This isn't just a city truck. It can handle rough terrain, bad weather, and long-term use without feeling fragile. Now, it's not the most comfortable truck on the road. The ride can be a bit stiff, and the interior isn't the most luxurious, but that's not why people buy it. They buy it because it lasts.
Number 2. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When you move into full-size trucks, reliability becomes even more important because repair costs can get expensive fast. That's where the Silverado 1500 stands out. This truck sticks to a formula that works. Large, naturally aspirated V8 engines, traditional construction, and widely available components. The 5.3-liter V8 in particular has been around for a long time. It's not new, it's not experimental, and that's exactly why it's reliable. It's been tested across multiple generations, and by now, most of the major issues have already been worked out. That's a big advantage compared to newer, more complex powertrains. Another key factor is how easy it is to service. Because the Silverado is so common across North America, every shop knows how to work on it. Parts are everywhere, and you're not paying premium prices just to keep it running. This matters more than people think, because long-term reliability isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about how manageable the truck is when something eventually needs attention. In terms of capability, this truck handles real work: towing, hauling, long-distance driving. It's built for it. Now, there are some things to watch for, like certain cylinder deactivation systems, but overall, if you pick a well-maintained example, this is one of the most dependable full-size trucks you can own.
Ford F-150. The F-150 isn't just popular, it's everywhere. And that level of popularity only happens when something consistently works. But here's the important part. Not every F-150 is the same. The key to reliability here is choosing the right engine. The 5.0 V8 is one of the safest options. It's straightforward, proven, and built to handle long-term use without excessive complexity. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost is another strong choice. It's smaller, more efficient, but still capable, and over the years it's shown solid reliability when properly maintained. What makes the F-150 stand out is its versatility. This is a truck that can work during the week, tow on the weekend, and still be comfortable as a daily driver. It's designed to do everything, and it does it well. Another huge advantage is parts availability. Because there are so many F-150s on the road, everything is easier. Repairs, maintenance, upgrades, you're never stuck searching for rare parts or specialized service. And that's a big part of long-term ownership. A truck can be reliable on paper, but if it's expensive or difficult to maintain, that reliability doesn't mean much. With the F-150, you get both durability and practicality. And when you combine those two, you end up with one of the most dependable trucks you can buy today.
Not all trucks are built the same. Some look tough. Some actually are. If you pick the right one, you're not just buying a truck. You're buying something that can last for years.